Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today is basically 29th August and my birthday is on the 31st. So it's 2 days before my birthday and I just thought that I'd start the vlog, take you guys along for all the birthday prep that I'm going to be doing. I'm not sure how long this video is going to be or what activities I'll cover throughout the video, but all I know is that a lot is happening. My birthday fit is not even here. I still have to go to the salon, and all in all I just thought I'd start the vlog. But before I yap and tell you everything, make sure to subscribe and let's get to it. Okay, starting off, first things first, I got my nails done yesterday and I basically wanted these nails that I've seen all over Pinterest and Instagram recently. They're these like very glassy, beachy, feminine, soft aura nails and I love them, and they have so many different variations, so I was not sure what color scheme I'm going for, but I went straight to my favorite nail tech. The only times I've gotten my nails done in the past is from her and I love her work. She can make anything look Pinteresty, and so I went right to her, showed her some inspo, and we worked out on this pink and sort of pastel yellow color scheme, and I think it turned out so cute. We were having so much fun just doing nails and watching Gossip Girl and yapping, and she did a fantabulous job. I love each and every one of these nails. Like I can literally rant about each one of them for like 4 hours straight. And yeah, right now I'm just doing my office work and we need to go ahead and finalize my outfits because I'm getting them custom made, but I'll tell you about those in just a minute. I forgot to vlog, but now we're getting waxed. Why is this lighting kind of good? My sister is also here. Me and my sister are just talking about why is like the most relaxing spa music playing while we're getting our skin ripped and trauma dumping like the most hurtful shit ever, so the waxing hurts less. Like, how do I forget to bring my camera everywhere? Forget, and then I'm like, oh wait. We can't find an auto, so now we're basically walking, and my butt hurts, so I can't walk. Nobody cares. I was basically trying on one of my birthday fits and this is not the exact fit, so I thought I'd give you guys a little sneak peek. But I need a basic fit to cycle in, so I'm gonna get this exact fit in pink. And I actually did get the top, but the brand forgot to send me the pants, so I'm gonna have to text them tomorrow. Guys, the pants are here. Don't ask me why I'm wearing the same top like 7 days in a row. It's just cute, but we got the pants. Let's unbox together. Super cute. Now my set is complete. I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm basically going to do midnight cycling. It's this activity where they take you in Colaba and they basically make you cycle from like 10 to like 2 to 3 a.m. and you like visit all the touristy spots while you cycle, and I just thought it's so fun and unique. I feel like going to the clubs or the restaurants is just like so common that I felt like I'm gonna do something different. This is the perfect fit because I did not want to wear like leggings and a sports top, and I'm so excited. So today is 30th and tomorrow is my birthday. I woke up a while ago and I just took Leo on a walk, and now I'm gonna make breakfast before I start getting work done because it's literally like 11. So I kinda wanna eat mushroom eggs, but I don't know if we have mushrooms, so let's see. We do! What better day than when your favorite YouTuber posts literally a 48-minute long video. Do you see that cheesy bite? So good. Okay, so I did the math and I just realized I have 4 hours to do everything I need to do. Okay, let's take it back a step. I don't know if I told you guys what I'm doing, but basically today's 30th and it's my birthday eve, and we're gonna be going midnight cycling today, which basically means it's this activity in Colaba where they just take you and like they make you cycle for like 4 hours and 30 kilometers. I kind of wanted to do something different and just like put my little music on and just like be cycling at like 12 a.m. when it's my birthday. So that's the vibe we're going for, and I showed you my fit for it yesterday. I'm wearing like the pink cord set, but for that you have to basically report at 11, and before that me and my sister are probably gonna grab dinner. So I mean, I think we need to reach Colaba around like say 8, and to reach at 8 we need to leave at 6 because like traffic, and to leave at 6 we need to get ready at 5 because like we're just a girl. And so my sister's gonna come back from school around 4, and then we're gonna start getting ready at like 5. So I've just realized it's currently 12 and I have like 4 to 5 hours to literally do everything I need to get done today, and that is a lot. Okay, this is the outfit so far. This is the top and the bottoms, and I've put a lot of gold jewelry and this pink hairband with this star clip. We're running so late right now and I literally have no battery on my camera, so I'm gonna quickly charge it. Now we're at Saz, my favorite Italian restaurant, and they literally gave us a table without a reservation because it's my birthday. They love me. And I've got my cycle. So has my sister. We literally look so dumb. Like I'm literally in this whole pink suit with like a hairband, and everyone's in like shorts.
And everyone has a fucking backpack, and this is my purse. Like this is what
And this is my tote. I'm gonna cycle like this.
They told us to get like protein bars and water, and we got nothing. We just have lip gloss in our bags. Like that's it.
The lighting is so good though.
Like I'm just gonna see a guy and go with my cycle like bye.
मेरे में नहीं है. हाँ okay. It's so much fun. Like this reminds me of the time I was cycling in like Chandigarh, if you guys remember, on my solo date, and it's so much fun. Like I'm in my pink little suit and like it's so silent, there's no honking, and we're gonna go by the water and everything right now, and we're just like nicely cycling. I just need to figure out what to do with this bag because she is too like heavy. Like your girl did not plan. Do you literally see how freaking beautiful that is? Guys, I see a third wave. Guys, I fucking see a third wave. Guys, I see a third wave. Oh my god, I need to go right now. I need to go right now. I need coffee. We're at your party. It's literally 11:50 right now. It's 10 minutes to my birthday. I also look so extra. Like, why am I literally cycling with like nails and a pink sweatsuit and like freaking...
It's your birthday. It's okay.
Yeah, but everyone's just like thinking I'm crazy because I'm the only one with my pink like iPhone case just like clicking videos, but that's all for you guys. Like the dedication is real.
Chal bas.
Currently we're on a little break and my sister is so done. She just wants to go home. But it's like 1 right now and we have 2 more hours to go. I am super stoked. All I need is like coffee. How is my makeup slaying at like 1 a.m. I am literally so lucky that I get to call this city my home. Like what the frick. Guys, do you see that freaking slope? We literally have to go up that slope. Like I am not okay. Now we gotta go down the slope. So that's like the fun part. A little mini break. What's the time? Currently 1:35. Slaps. My legs are gonna be so dead tomorrow.
Or he's high, or he's like disabled or something.
Along the sand, dancing in the rain. I forgot.
So, I just showered as you can tell, and right now I'm gonna get ready to go to my favorite cafe. It's literally almost 2 p.m. I woke up at like 12 after that exhausting night, and I feel like things have been going slightly downhill like they do on one's birthday, because my birthday dress that I got custom made is not here and it was supposed to be here yesterday. So I have to like, it sounds like such a first world problem, like I don't have my custom dress, I have to wear like a makeshift outfit, like how unfair. But genuinely I was excited to wear it, and it's not here, and I don't think it's gonna be here today, so I've decided on another outfit. I'm gonna put that on. Like my camera died, but this is the outfit I got on right now, and I was just filming a get ready with me on my phone right there, so that is why I did not vlog meanwhile. But I'm pretty much ready. I just have to put my shoes on and my lip combo on. But I am basically going to bougie, like surprise surprise. I literally go there every single week, but I feel like I've lately realized how important it is to like have some sort of community, because obviously I could go to like a new restaurant, but everyone there knows me, they value me, they like are so happy when I'm there, and I feel like I'm so happy to be there too. And not like, obviously the coffee and the food is great, but then like just going in that comfort and that place where you're so valued and loved just feels like amazing. And that's why people are like, oh my god, why are you going to bougie on your birthday? Like you literally go there every single day. But like it's like literally spending time with your loved ones and close ones, because they literally treat me like that. And I'm so excited and I'm super hungry. I haven't eaten anything and I'm gonna devour. I came to a stationery store to buy paper and crayons because I thought that I could doodle something and make a cute little card for myself. As I was saying, I was gonna, while doing that, I don't feel like fully present or reading. I'm kind of like too invested in the book. But I think that's a good thing, because every time, so I was basically gonna get my book or a journal, but I'm kind of glad I didn't get them, because once you start journaling or reading, your focus is too much into the book. But while I was coming here, I had the brilliant idea to buy craft supplies. So I literally went to the store and I bought some A4 size paper, some wax crayons and some color pencils, and I'm gonna sit and make a cute little birthday card for myself. So far, but now I think I'm going to leave. It's almost 7.